Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to boot and install OS from USB drive in VMware. Click File, New Virtual Machine. Click Next. Check I will install the operating system later, click Next. Rename to any name with your reference. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Click Edit Virtual Machine. Select hard disk and remove. Add new hard disk. Select recommended drive, click Next. Check use a physical disk. Type disk management in Windows search bar. Click Create and format hard disk partitions. Find your removable disk. Select Disk 2. Click Next, Finish. Click Add to add another hard disk. Click Next, Finish. Add more RAM and processors. Click OK. Boot with Windows bootable USB. Boot with x86 version not working, this time you can change boot option to BIOS. Click Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Click Options, click Advanced. Change to BIOS. Click OK, now try boot x86 bootable USB. Firmware type BIOS working both x86 and x64 versions. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.